To create a current status distribution report and see where work is piling up, such as items getting stuck in progress, use a native chart as a board view or a dashboard widget. Dashboards are especially useful when comparing status distribution across multiple boards. Set labels to the status column and values to count of items. That's it, you'll have a live, always up-to-date view of your current status distribution. A historical status distribution report helps you understand trends and overall process health over time. With native tools and Monday.com, creating this type of report usually means manual work, reviewing activity logs item by item or exporting board data for external analysis. A practical workaround is to extend your setup with a third-party app. Smart Spreadsheet works especially well for this use case. Start by adding Smart Spreadsheet as a board view or a dashboard or docs widget, then import one or more boards. From there, create a pivot table, apply conditional formatting if needed, and visualize the data in a familiar, Excel-like format. Because the spreadsheet stays synchronized with your boards, the pivot table is always up to date. This setup already gives you a clean and reliable current status distribution report, making it easier to share insights and keep stakeholders aligned. And it also lays the foundation for historical tracking. By keeping structured, consistent snapshots of your data, you can easily analyze how status distribution evolves over time and spot long-term workflow trends. To add historical tracking, head to the Automation Center, find the Smart Spreadsheet Report automation, and configure it to send an XLS report based on your spreadsheet, weekly or monthly, for example. Choose the spreadsheet view you want to export and enter the required email addresses. Each exported report acts as an automatic snapshot of your board's state and summary at that point in time, making it easy to compare changes and analyze how your status distribution evolves over time. Here's an example of a snapshot that lets you spot trends and changes over time with minimal effort.